All right, guys, we are getting close now. This is lock number 18 on Lock Picking Lebowski's treasure chest. Can't wait to see what's inside of it. Of all the locks, all the previous 17 locks that were on here, this is the one that I've been worried about the least. And this is even going to be easier, I think, than this one, which was the Russian lock held together with a screw, basically. These master locks, this one model was actually invented as an improvement over several previous models which were easily shimmed. Now this one is not easily shimmed. They didn't cut any corners. They really toughened up the shackle, so it was much less likely to be cut. This is the boron, I think it's a hex-shaped shackle. They got a waterproof seal on the top. They got a rubber gasket here to prevent you from scarring or marring the door that it's attached to. And they got a weather cover on the bottom. Now this one cannot be shimmed. I can tell you that I've tried it on countless versions of the same model. However, typical of all master locks, they had to cut a corner, and this is it. So let me show you how to do it. Let's make sure it is locked, obviously. Otherwise, I wouldn't be fighting it. All we've got to do here is line all these up and then put tension on the core. I'm going to really pull on this thing. And when you pull on it, you can jiggle the wheels. Let me move this up a little so the autofocus will work. You can jiggle the wheels, and if that doesn't work, lighten your tension up, rotate to the next number, apply tension again, and just keep jiggling the wheels until you find the gate, because that's the mistake that they made. They made the real gate super wide on these guys. So we can't shim it, but we can pick it, decode it, and then change the combination and use the lock ourselves. We got to be getting close now. All right, there you go. See how wide that gate is? I mean, literally from line to line. That thing jiggles a lot. So the first number on this one is 0, no question. Now all we've got to do is just keep going. There it is again, 0. And I'm going to make a leap of faith here. Let's just change them all to 0. Just on the off chance that Lock Picking Lebowski gave us a $0 lock. No, he didn't. That would have been too easy. There it is, 9. And this next one, all you got to do is just rotate the number and pull the lock. You don't have to test the gate. And there it is, 0092. We've got the lock open, and now we can change the combination and use it to lock up our kid's tricycle, because that's all this thing is really good for. Anyway, guys, there you go, the Master Pro Series combo lock. Appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal. We are getting close. I can smell that candy or money or something good. I just know it. Thanks, guys.